Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic Gigi. Today we're going to be doing just another Dutch pour, and my base paint is just titanium white by Acrylic, and all my colors are mixed with um, 2 ounces of Floetrol, 1 ounce paint, ½ ounce water, and all my primary element colors are mixed with gloss gel. I just mix it, I water down the gloss gel to make a liquid, more liquidy, and then I put the pigment in, and then I mix that with Floetrol. So that's how I do my pigments. But if you are interested in trying out some color art, or if you want to get more, I have a 20% off discount code on ColourArte.com. My discount code is Misty Nelson 2021, so 2021. And all this is in the description below. If you are interested, go ahead and check out the description box below. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's free and it helps me out. And I'd love you to come back for more videos. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And please hit that like button. All right, I'll let you guys watch. Thanks so much for joining. done. Check out the cells and the lacing, and I just love these colors together. The color inspiration was from Erica Hughes. She did a bloom in these colors, and I just died over the colors, so that's where I got the inspiration for this one. She's amazing with picking colors. Go check out her channel. Um, check it out. See all those multicolored cells? They're called peacock cells. They're so pretty. I love it. But check out that shimmer from the primary elements and the ColourArte. They are just to die for. Those pigments, like it's a whole nother world with painting with pigments. They make it, they take your painting to a whole nother level. Just amazing stuff. Don't forget to get a 20% off description. The link is in the description below, and my 20% off discount code, and all kinds of other things in there, like the blow dry I use. The canvas I actually was painting on was this canvas is an 18 by 24 gallery wrapped. Um, and please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help. So let me also leave in the comments below anything you'd like to see me to do or color combination you want me to try. Um, anything, I'm willing to try it. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous day, and thanks so much for joining me. Until next time, bye, guys.